Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and right there you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap here once to turn on Wi-Fi on your device, and just to enable the Wi-Fi networks, wait a second, and here now you can select one from these available networks, enter your password, and just to connect to this network. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi here, tap again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. Nothing difficult, as can you see. And also we got the second way. First we should go to the settings application, and here you should tap to the connections. Now just click here near the Wi-Fi section on the switcher to turn on the Wi-Fi on this device, and now you can select one from these available networks. For example, I'll go with this one. Here you should enter your password. In my case that's from 1 to 8. By tap here once on this icon, you can see your password to have no mistake, and just tap here to connect. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select the another network, but first you should just tap here on the settings icon, forget this network, and then by the same way just you should select the another available network. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi here again, just tap once again on the switcher to turn it off, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.